The guy that got hurt, he was a dummy who wasn't paying attention.
That's something that they can't just cut out and say, oh no, that can never happen, because it just did.
And why does somebody always have to pay when there's a terrible, tragic accident? Why is somebody always at fault?
If she hadn't been speeding, he might have had enough time.
The reality is that doctors and nurses take shortcuts all the time. I take shortcuts, but I do it knowing that it's my ass. If I screw up,
I think remorse would help him out.
I think he said something to the effect of, I know nothing about this accident, so how could we talk about it? That type of phrasing is immediately defensive.
He may, if she didn't get better on May 5th, if she didn't get better, he might have to order Mrs. Moore hospitalized for antibiotic treatments. But then he doesn't have her come back for two weeks.
That's bad.
I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse, but there's nothing medical that's routine.
The hospital couldn't get hold of the doctor.
That's what I'm saying.
And they left messages for him.
That's a very good one.
This whole scenario could have been my mother about 10 years ago. She had the same type of surgery.
The surgeons I work for, nobody's going to wait 14 days if they even are considering hospitalization with IV antibiotics.
But it may not have been what she actually needed because of her history.
As bad as she said it was, she may have been a hypochondriac or not, but he should have followed through with something, and it sounds like he did nothing.
Sounds like he just really doesn't want to testify against
He doesn't want to testify. That's basically it. He's hired to testify, so he has to say something, so he tries to keep credibility.
When a doctor has a nurse, she is his right hand, and by golly, she best be protecting him.
I about lost it. Well, they're just responsible for telling me when they get around to it.
Yeah.
Bull.